I'm Jane from Poppy Patchwork and welcome to my quilt block series. In each of these videos I'm going to show you how to make a different block and they're all going to measure 12 inches. I hope you like this video. If you do, click the like button and please let me know in the comment section below what other videos you'd like me to make. Let's get quilting. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 12-inch block called Crossing Ohio. You are going to need two 1.5 by 13 inch strips in background fabric and four 1.5 by 2.5 inch rectangles. You're also going to need 8 2.5 inch squares and two 5 3/4 inch squares. You're going to need two 1.5 by 13 inch strips in fabric A, four 1.5 inch squares and one 2.5 inch square. In fabric B, you're going to need two 5 3/4 inch squares. Making the 4 patches. Select your strips of fabric. And place them right sides together, then sew along one of the long edges. Press the seams towards the darker fabric. Trim to straighten up one of the ends of the strip sets. And then subcut the strip set into 1.5 inches by 2.5 inch units. You will need 16 in total. Then pair up as shown. Match the seams, pin and sew with a 1/4 inch seam. Press the seams open. Making the centre unit. Place the 1.5 by 2.5 inch rectangles in background fabric and the 1.5 inch squares in fabric A as shown. Pin in columns as shown and sew with the 1/4 inch seam. Finger press seams towards the darker fabric and return to the unit layout. Pin in columns as shown and sew with a 1/4 inch seam. Press the seams to the darker fabrics. Match the seams, pin and sew with a 1/4 inch seam. And then return to the unit layout. Pin the other column. And then press the unit. Making the 1/4 square triangles. Select one each of the 5 3/4 inch squares. Draw a diagonal line on the wrong side of the background square. Pin right sides together and sew a 1/4 inch seam on both sides of the drawn line. Then cut along the drawn line. Press the seams towards the darker fabric. Lay the half square triangles right sides together with the opposite colours together and butt those seams up. Draw a diagonal line across the seam. Then sew a 1/4 inch seam on both sides of the line. And then cut along the drawn line. Then press and make 4 in total. Trimming the 1/4 square triangles. Lay the diagonal line of the ruler on the seam. Line the bottom and left edges at 4.5 inches and the intersection in the middle at 2.25 inches. Trim the right and top edges. Turn the unit round and repeat the process. For more accurate cutting, I like to use the Quilt in a Day triangular square up ruler. You might want to try it. Block layout. Press your units and lay in the block layout. Start by making up the corner 4 patches. Join in pairs first. Press the seams towards the background fabric. And then join in 4s. Return to the block layout. Pin in columns. Sew with a 1/4 inch seam and return to the block layout. There's no need to press yet. In columns, pair up again with the pin indicating the stitch line. Return to the block layout. press the seams open so that you can see the points for matching. Pin the columns together, matching seams and points, and sew with a 1/4 inch seam. Then repeat on the other column. Press your seams open. Congratulations! You have made the Crossing Ohio block. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. More of these videos will be posted, so please tune in. Thank you for watching and bye for now.